worry. Daddy will soon join us.
But you're not happy. Is it because Daddy scolded last night?
Sarah, you talk too much. Eat your food.
But you're not happy.
Who told you I'm not happy? Eat your food.
I'm off.
Baby, won't you at least have something to eat?
I'm not hungry.
What do you mean you're not hungry? Did you eat it?
Things work out naturally. You'll be coming to the location?
Coming to the location to do what?
To see me, of course. Is there anything wrong in coming to the location to see your guy?
Ibezim, how many times have your wife come to the location to see you?
She used to come. Always.
So if I come to your location to see you, who are you going to tell your crew members that I am? Your girlfriend?
See, Jane, I only asked you a question. Don't start this morning.
Wait. You only asked a question. See, I am sick and tired of this your hide and seek game. For Christ's sake, what do you take me for? Ibezim, say, just look at me very well. I have this quality you can never ever find in any other woman. So why play me your mistress? This will be the last time I will come to see you in a hotel room. Do you understand me? If you want the real thing, you know where to find me.
It has not gotten to this.
Ibezim, it has gotten to everything. Come on! You get that thing in your house and you call her your wife. Then me, your mistress. Check it out. It's odd.
Okay. See, once I'm through with the film I'm shooting and get home, I'm going to tell her about the divorce. That should be you.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby. sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
Mom, where is Dad? He's not eating with us again.
Of course he will. I'll go and call him, okay? This is Satan at work. How can one wake up one morning and start asking for a divorce? No. This is not ordinary. And we cannot sit and fold our arms while the devil ruin your marriage. Why me? Why me? What have I done wrong? What have I done to deserve all this? What? I have devoted everything to this union. I have given it my life, my money, my blood, everything. Why is this happening to me? Why? I know it's very painful, but crying will not solve this problem. This is a spiritual battle, and we have to fight it spiritually. Please. Have I not been praying? Have I not been praying? I have been praying. I have been praying. Don't worry. We need to seek a higher spiritual authority. The devil is a liar. The devil cannot win over this case. Babe, do you know my man called me this morning?
Yes? Has he told her?
Of course. He told his wife about the divorce.
Wow. That's my babe. Give me five, give me five, give me five. I trust you now. I'm not a carry last.
Of course. Babe, see, the last time I spent with him was very hot for him. He didn't even know when he started promising. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that once I get back. And trust me, he kept to his promises.
Oh, I like that. The next thing for you to do now, babe, is to follow up. Babe, follow up. Oh, don't relax. Don't give a breathing space at all. See, it does not just end in telling her alone. But he has to do it very, very fast, yeah?
Abby?
Yes, sir.
See, babe, don't worry about that. You know why? He's on his way to Enugu. And trust me, this whole thing is not going to take up to a month for me to be officially called.
Mrs. Ibezim.
Wow, that's my baby girl.
I'm so excited.
Oh God, I trust you now.
Let me get something.
Let's go inside, let's go inside, let's go inside.
You see, the devil actually came with a mighty big confrontation to solve of his joy and happiness. Really, his devilish. But thank God you're here today. Okay? And you are right. What you have to do now is
Please, I don't want any trouble, I'm tired. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You know, everything about her pisses me off. Even staying in that house is just like staying in the hell. I'm tired of everything.
That is because you've seen an angel.
No other angel like you.
That's the more reason why you should hasten up with this divorce thing. I mean, so you can have me to yourself.
Right.
So first thing first, you have to bring in a lawyer. Let's do this thing swiftly. Who says we can't have our wedding in a month's time?
No. No. I can't divorce my wife and marry you in a month's time. Looks suspicious.
Do I care? Does it look like I care? I don't care what anyone thinks. What is important to me now is my joy and my happiness. I really don't care about people's opinion. I can do this now. I can do this. So, what should I go prepare for you?
Anything you can think of, okay? As long as it's coming from you, I will eat it.
So, when are you returning back to your base?
I'm not going back today.
Why? You mean you're not filming and you're here spending money in hotel?
I'm spending the money paying the bills to be with you.
Listen, I think the right thing to do is for you to get home. Hasten up with this divorce and make me your wife. Bring me into your house. Not spending money here.
Okay. I will be going tomorrow.
Okay, let me go get something for you. I'll be back shortly.
Okay. Well, don't keep me waiting.
You mean he has not called you to tell you his whereabouts? Yes, not all. Where can he be now? Only God knows. What about Zara? She has gone to school. She kept asking about her dad. I don't even know what to tell her anymore. The devil is a liar. This marriage will not crash. Amen. Let me call him with my phone. Oh, okay.
Hello, Madam Gold.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How is your family?
We are fine. And you? How is work going over there?
Work is fine, but I'm done with work.
Doesn't mean you are in town?
Not really. I'm still in Enugu trying to do one or two things.
Oh. There is something I want to discuss with you.
And what is it?
You know my pastor, my mentor, Pastor Phillips.
I want to know him.
He called me on the phone and told me he had a revelation about my friend, whose husband is a movie director. And I only have one friend whose husband is a movie director.
And what's the revelation about me?
He would like to see you one-on-one.
Listen, Madam Gold. I don't know the business you have with the pastor. But tell him that the tricks would not work on me. You should try the next person, okay? I'm not ready to drop my 1 naira for him. Do you hear me?
You surprise me. You don't know my pastor, Pastor Phillips. How much do you think you have to give to him? My pastor does not need your money. He does not need your money, Mr. Ibezin.
I don't need his prayers either. Have a nice day.
Mr. Hello?
I told you. I know him very well. He doesn't want to use his ear to hear anything called pastor. I know him.
We will find a way to take him to my pastor. If it fails, then I will make an arrangement for my pastor to come here and see him.
I think that would be better. This is serious.
Marriage is not a do-or-die affair. I am no longer interested. So let us go our separate ways.
You cannot just wake up one morning and spring up a divorce. I am human. I have blood going through my veins. I know how much that I have invested to make you the big director.
I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so. Give me another chance.
Stop crying.
Me
Stop
love
crying.
you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
Hello, Daddy. Good afternoon. Zara, have you greeted Daddy?
Me, no.
Come on, say good afternoon to the Daddy.
I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance.
I have something to tell you.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
I can't wait for this shoot to be over. I want a divorce now.
the shoot will take just 2 weeks.
2 weeks is such a long time. And I cannot take that risk. I think we should just go see the lawyer this morning.
As you can see, I am busy and I will be busy for 2 weeks. So the divorce has to...
And I said I cannot wait. I can't wait.
Was I not the one that brought up the issue of this divorce? So I will be the one to say it when it will be done.
Hey, we are not in any competition, no. Whether you're the one who brought it out first or I'm the one, we are not in competition. All I know is that I can't wait anymore. I cannot wait.
You're distracting me. I am studying my script for the next job. Please, you're distracting me.
Script or no script, you're looking for my trouble. I said I cannot wait. Is it by force? You want a divorce and I want a divorce. Let's end it. The world can hear me, oh. This house will not contain us. I want a divorce now, oh. Shoot, God, shoot me.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again.
Why did you keep food on the table?
What kind of stupid question is that?
I see. Let me look for something to eat.
Like I care. Meanwhile, I'm just coming from the lawyer's place. He said he has prepared the divorce papers. So I signed my column. Whenever you are ready, Mr. Oga, go and sign yours so that we can get all this over with.
I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
So, baby, just take a sip, okay? Just a sip.
No. I don't drink alcohol.
Just a sip. I didn't say you should finish it.
And I said no.
Why?
Okay. Because I don't want to be a drunk wife and a mother. Yes. I don't want to just come home one day and I'm acting all drunk. Before you know, I'm scratching the house. I'm doing all sorts that I'll probably later regret. Yes.
Okay, I understand. But just a sip. Come on, you like it, okay? Just a sip. Just yeah, good. Yeah.
And I said no. Malta. Or Malta. Any other malt drink. Baby, no! You can't force me. No.
Nope.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had.
What should I bring for you? Why come in the evening?
Don't bother. We'll be shooting all night today, and I'll be coming back tomorrow morning.
All night shoot, that means it's going to be stressful.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. That means you want me to come back tomorrow.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so.
Just use nonsense now. If you're gone.
Another chance, just let me love you again.
If you call.
I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me. you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had.
Didn't you see me?
No, continue with what you were saying. What are we doing here?
This is where our journey into the world of two together started. Where I proposed to you and you accepted my proposal. Where our love started. I brought you here so we start all over again.
I don't understand what you're saying. Anyways, I have signed the divorce papers and I think you should go do the same.
I am not divorcing you anymore. I am renewing my vow to you. I will never allow any other woman to come between us. You are a jewel and a high ornament. I promise we will never raise voice at each other anymore. You're mine. Mine forever.
I was a fool who never knew what he
I don't understand what is going on anymore. Can you imagine if I call him, he doesn't take my call and he doesn't return the call?
Don't try again. But how could you be so drunk to the extent you were vomiting in his hotel room? What was at the height of it, Jane?
How am I supposed to know I will get drunk? I was only excited. I didn't drink to get drunk.
It's okay.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool.
Hey.
I didn't want to say anything while you were on the phone. But we need to talk.
Okay. What are we talking about?
Over.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again.
What is this?
I'm sorry I treated you.
What am I going to do?
I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had.
Where do I go from here?
I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew.
Because of one stupid girl out there. Hey, Mama, do you know?
I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a